In this video, we're covering the complete RockWallet tutorial, everything you need to get the app up and running properly, how to buy, how to swap, how to sell, and all the standout features along the way. For those of you who haven't heard of it, RockWallet is a crypto wallet and exchange app that lets you buy, sell, swap, send, and receive cryptocurrency, all from one place. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, so even if you're completely new to crypto, you'll be able to get set up and start managing your assets without much of a learning curve. With that out of the way, let's jump straight into the setup. The first thing you have to do is install the RockWallet app on your device. RockWallet only has an application for Android and iOS. It doesn't have a working web version at the moment. So you can use the link in the description to go directly to the RockWallet website, and from there you can download the app for your desired platform, whether that's Android or iOS. Simply choose whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, and you'll be redirected to the appropriate app store. Install the app, and once it's finished downloading, tap Open to launch RockWallet. When you first open the app, you'll have the option to either log in if you already have an account, or create a new one. Since we're setting it up from scratch, tap Create Account. The first step is entering your email address. After tapping Continue, RockWallet will send a verification code to your email. Simply enter that code to verify your account. Next, the app will guide you through setting up a passkey, which is used to securely protect your account. Tap Continue, then choose your preferred passkey method. In my case, I'm selecting a pattern, and once it's been created successfully, tap Continue again. After that, you'll be asked to enter a nickname for your account. Type in any nickname you'd like, and continue to the next step. You'll then be asked to select your location. Simply choose your country, and if required, your state or region. Once everything looks correct, tap Continue. Your account is now created, and RockWallet will take a few moments to generate your wallet. Once that's complete, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. At first, you'll notice that your portfolio is empty, which is completely normal for a brand new wallet. You'll also see that your account starts at level 1. If you tap Unlock Level 2, you'll be able to complete identity verification by confirming your identity, taking a quick selfie, and answering a few verification questions. Upgrading to Level 2 unlocks additional features and higher transaction limits. I'll go ahead and complete that verification, and once it's finished, we can explore the rest of the app. Now that we're on a verified Level 2 account, let's take a quick tour of the interface. The dashboard is very clean and beginner-friendly. Since I haven't added any funds yet, my portfolio balance is currently 0, but once you buy or receive crypto, your total portfolio value will be displayed right here. So first of all, at the bottom of the app, you can see the trade option. If you click on this trade option, there's a receive option. We'll go into these steps further in detail, but at the moment, I need something in my portfolio to work with. First of all, I click on the Receive button, and basically to receive any coin, any amount, any asset, this is what I'm doing right now. At the top, you can see it says Deposit To, and you can change the wallet from here, either spending or saving. I'll just keep it on spending because I want to spend it later on in the video. I'll choose the platform I want to receive the amount onto. For example, I can click on Bitcoin, Ethereum, but for this video, I'll be choosing USDT. Let's receive some USDT. As you can see, there's a QR code and an address underneath the QR code which I can copy and share with whoever I want to send the money to, whether that's from another exchange or wallet. So I'll just copy the address and send some amount of USDT into my account. And one more thing I want to show you. If I click Trade again and click Send, as you can see, it says there's nothing to send here yet. But let's assume I had some amount right here in the name of assets, for example some USDT. What I could do is add the address that someone else had copied and pasted, and I could transfer the amount from my wallet to theirs. That's basically how to send and receive. I'll get back to the video as soon as I get some cash in here, as an amount of USDT, so we have something to work with. So to actually get that USDT into RockWallet, I went to the Binance website, and as you can see, I'm on my dashboard here. From here, I click on the Withdraw option. On the next page, I see a Select Asset option, and I choose USDT. Then I enter the withdrawal address, and I select the network. Now, this is the part you really need to pay attention to. You have to be aware of which chain RockWallet uses. If you check the Portfolio tab in RockWallet, each asset is linked to a specific chain, and RockWallet uses the ERC20 network for USDT transfers. So, on Binance, when it asks me to select the network, I make sure I'm choosing ERC20. Some people get confused here and pick TRC20 instead, but that's not right. So always confirm the network matches the asset before withdrawing to your RockWallet address. After that, I enter the amount. 3 is the minimum. I enter it and click Withdraw. The network fee shows as $0.40, and I click Continue. It says awaiting approval, and then as you can see, the receipt shows approval, and it says the amount has been transferred. Now, back to the RockWallet app. Okay, so now as you can see, the funds have transferred into my account, and you can see the total balance is $2.60. It's basically in USDT right here. At the bottom you can see your assets, and it's also showing your recent transactions. If I click on it, it shows the amount received, the transaction ID, and where it was received from. Now, let's just walk through the app itself. At the top, you can see there's a buy option. Tapping it lets you choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase. For example, if I select Bitcoin, RockWallet will ask me to add a payment method. In supported regions, you can use a debit card, credit card, or other available payment methods. After adding your card, simply enter the amount you want to purchase. Let's say $100, and the app will show you approximately how much Bitcoin you'll receive before you confirm the transaction. Back on the main screen, you'll also notice the swap and sell options. Swapping allows you to exchange one supported cryptocurrency for another directly within the app, while the sell option lets you convert supported crypto back into your local currency where that service is available. Next, let's look at the Portfolio tab. This is where you'll be able to view all of your crypto holdings, monitor your balances, and keep track of your overall portfolio value in one place. If you go into Portfolio from the bottom menu, and for example, let's choose Bitcoin from the list, you can see the whole pricing here. It's set to 1 day right now. If I set it to 1 week, you can see the different price fluctuation as well. And if I choose all, from here, it will show me a whole history of Bitcoin, as far back as it can go. For example, it's showing from 2021. And you can see the different price fluctuations, tops and lows, everything shown in this chart. At the bottom you can see buy, swap, and sell. So anything you can do directly from here, instead of clicking on the trade option and then choosing buy, swap, sell, you can do directly by choosing the coin from Portfolio. And that's basically it. One more thing I want to show you. If you go into Portfolio, at the top right section where you can see your balance, if you click on it, there's a drop-down which opens up the All Portfolios option. Here you can see your total balance, and there are 2 types of portfolios. One is spending, and the other is saving. This is the portfolio we've been working with. For example, if I click on Savings, it will show me my savings balance, which is currently $0, and I can add, send, and move the balance if I want. At the bottom, you'll also find the Trade section. Here you'll see quick access to buy, sell, swap, send, and receive. The Receive feature is especially useful if someone wants to send you crypto. As I told you at the start of the video, while moving USDT from Binance to here. If you already have crypto in your wallet, you can use the Send option to transfer it to another wallet. The Activity tab keeps a complete history of your wallet activity, including purchases, sales, swaps, deposits, and transfers, making it easy to review everything you've done within the app. You'll also notice a banking section. At the time of recording, this is a newer feature that RockWallet is continuing to develop, so additional functionality may become available in future updates. Finally, If you tap your profile icon, in the top left corner, you'll have access to your account settings. From here you can view your account details, check your verification level, manage your preferences, and if you ever need to, you also have the option to delete your account. Overall, the app is very easy to navigate, and even if you're completely new to cryptocurrency, most of the features are clearly labeled and straightforward to use. So that's basically it with this app, but there's a very important thing to notice. Right now I'm working with Android for this app, and if you're outside the USA, one thing to note is that the latest version of RockWallet on Android does not support buying or selling. So to access these features, you'll have to use another RockWallet app, the RockWallet self-custodial app, which allows buying and selling too, but it's only available on iOS. It's a bit confusing, but it's actually pretty simple. So let me break it down. In short, if you're a United States user, everything is easily available to you through this main app, RockWallet, Crypto Simplified, right from the beginning. After you perform your KYC and make sure your account is fully verified at level 2, you'll be able to do everything from here. But if you're outside the United States, you might face restrictions on some features, like not being able to access buy or sell. You can work around this, and I'll explain how. The iOS restriction is separate from the regional restriction. Since you're using Android, the Apple-specific restriction doesn't apply to you. However, buy, sell, and swap availability depends on which version of the RockWallet app you're using and the country where your account is supported. If you're using the RockWallet International app, some features, such as buy, sell, and swap, may not be available in your region. In that case, the app is primarily limited to sending, receiving, and storing crypto. Now that I've mentioned the self-custodial app as an alternative, let's take a quick look inside it so you know what to expect before you download it. First, go onto your App Store and search for RockWallet, and you'll see there's a RockWallet self-custodial app available. I've got it downloaded, so I'll just click Open. And as you can see, the interface is white themed. Basically, it will ask you to enter your PIN. You can enter your PIN. I logged in using the same account I used to log into the RockWallet crypto app. And from here, this is a simplified version of the app where you can simply buy and sell and check out your wallet balance. There's also a RockWallet Pro option, which becomes available after further verification. You can also click on coins from here, the list. For example, if I click on BTC, you can simply see more insights here. As I told you earlier, you can switch between charts and timeframes, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and up to 3 years. At the bottom, you can see the send and receive option. If you click receive, you're shown a QR code and wallet address, and you can also request an amount by clicking request an amount, adding whatever amount you want. And it'll update your QR code accordingly. You can share it by clicking the share button at the bottom. And at the bottom you can click on your profile. And from here, you can toggle your preferences. If you click on preferences, you can change a lot of things from here, such as your display currency. If you click on it, you can choose between different display currencies. For example, if I want Great British Pound Sterling, I'll click on Pound Sterling, and it'll change the displayed amount into GBP. That's basically it with the RockWallet apps, and everything you need to know about them, how to use them, and the full tutorial. You can use the link in the description to get RockWallet and try it for yourself.